Most people think low intelligence shows up in IQ tests or bad grades. Psychologists say it shows up somewhere else first, in the small habits you repeat every single day. Here's the scary part. Those habits don't just reveal how you think. Every time you repeat them, you're training your brain to think the same way tomorrow. The good news? If habits can shape the way you think, they can also help you think more clearly. In this video, you'll discover 5 everyday habits that may be quietly holding you back, and the simple changes that can help sharpen the way you think. Habit 1. Avoiding silence. You're standing in line, waiting for the elevator, sitting in your car. The moment there's nothing to do, your hand reaches for your phone almost automatically. Not because you need it, because your brain has forgotten what silence feels like. In 2014, researchers at the University of Virginia studied what happened when people were left alone with nothing but their own thoughts. Most people didn't enjoy it, so the researchers gave them another option. They could press a button and give themselves a mild electric shock. Surprisingly, many people chose the shock instead of sitting quietly for just a few minutes. One participant even pressed it 190 times. Your brain isn't broken, it's just out of practice. Start with 2 minutes a day. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just sit quietly. At first, it'll feel uncomfortable. That's normal. Discomfort is often a sign your attention is getting stronger. Sharp minds learn to sit with silence. Distracted minds run from it and call the running relaxing. If you're realizing how easy it is to fall into habits like this, you're exactly who I make these videos for. But silence isn't the only thing your brain is running from. What you do every night might be even more damaging. Habit 2. Chronic sleep neglect. You stay up scrolling until 2 a.m. You tell yourself you'll catch up tomorrow. Maybe you even brag about needing only 4 hours of sleep. Research published in Occupational and Environmental Medicine found that after around 17 to 19 hours without sleep, your reaction speed and decision-making become similar to someone with a blood alcohol concentration of about 0.05%. Stay awake even longer, and your brain performs like it's legally drunk. Your brain doesn't know the difference between tired and impaired. Instead of trying to force yourself to sleep earlier, protect one consistent wake-up time, even on weekends. A steady wake-up time helps reset your body's internal clock far more effectively than constantly trying to catch up on sleep. People who protect their sleep are protecting their thinking. People who brag about skipping it are bragging about being slower tomorrow. So what happens when you combine an exhausted brain with this next habit? Habit 3. Confidence without curiosity. You've probably met someone like this. They're loud, they interrupt, they speak with complete confidence, even when they're completely wrong. And somehow, they never seem to doubt themselves. Psychologists David Dunning and Dunning-Kruger discovered something fascinating. The less people know about a subject, the more likely they are to overestimate their own ability. Because the same knowledge needed to perform well is also needed to recognize your own mistakes. Without it, you don't even realize what you don't know. Before you become certain about something, pause and ask yourself, what's the strongest argument against my opinion? If you can't answer that question, you're probably not ready to be confident. You're ready to learn. Real knowledge asks questions before it speaks. Fake confidence speaks before it asks anything. Not every sign is loud. Some of them hide inside completely ordinary conversations. Habit 4. Living on surface-level thinking. Weather, traffic, can't believe it's Friday. Some people can talk for an hour without ever saying anything meaningful. Psychologists describe a personality trait called need for cognition. It's simply how much someone enjoys thinking deeply. People lower in this trait often avoid mentally demanding conversations, not because they lack ability, but because they rarely exercise it. Once a week, replace easy entertainment with something that stretches your thinking. Read a long-form article, watch a thoughtful documentary, have a real discussion with someone who challenges your perspective. Thinking works like a muscle. If you never use it, it weakens. Curious minds chase ideas. Bored minds simply fill silence with noise. Sometimes the biggest sign of intelligence isn't knowing more, it's being willing to change your mind. Habit 5. Refusing to change your mind. We've all met someone like this. No matter what evidence you show them, their opinion never changes. New information doesn't make them curious, it makes them defensive. Instead of asking, "What if I'm wrong?" they immediately start looking for reasons they're right. Psychologists call this belief perseverance. Once people commit to an idea, the brain naturally tries to protect it, even when new evidence points in another direction. It's a normal mental bias, but people who regularly question their own assumptions tend to make better decisions, solve problems more effectively, and continue learning throughout life. The next time you instantly disagree with someone, don't ask, "How do I prove them wrong?" Ask, "What evidence would honestly change my mind?" That single question trains your brain to stay flexible instead of defensive. You don't become wiser by defending every opinion. You become wiser by improving them. Flexible minds grow with new evidence. Rigid minds protect old beliefs, even when reality has already moved on. Here's what almost nobody tells you. None of these habits mean you're unintelligent. They simply mean your brain has adapted to whatever you repeatedly practice. And that's actually good news, because habits can change, which means the way you think can change too. Intelligence isn't something you're born protecting. It's something you build, one decision, one habit, and one day at a time. If this video made you rethink even one habit, don't let it be another idea you forget tomorrow. If you want to actually rewire your brain and understand psychology at its rawest, not the feel-good version, but the truth that changes the way you think, then subscribe. Every week, I break down the psychology most people never question, but everyone lives by. So if you're serious about building a sharper mind, making better decisions, and understanding yourself on a deeper level, don't just watch. Join us. Thanks for watching.